Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Banana Republic factory try-on haul. I recently did a Gap Factory or like their outlet try-on haul, and I had found so many great things at such good prices, great quality, that I wandered on over to Banana Republic side of it and also found so many cute things that I had to grab. I actually go on Banana Republic Factory quite often for my husband. I find some really great prices on like dress shirts and like random things for him to wear to work. And he loves their jeans. So I always buy stuff from Banana Republic Factory for my husband, but I decided to make a purchase for myself this time and ended up with so many cute goodies. I will have everything linked down below in the description box, so let's go ahead and get into the try-on. Okay, first up from Banana Republic Factory is this very oversized sweater. It is so good. Y'all need this one, especially if you love neutrals. It is the perfect neutral creamy color. Oh, I love it. It is a cotton material, but it just feels like worn in. It feels like Jenny Kane. Maybe even better than Jenny Kane. Like, it feels so luxurious and so nice. I cannot believe this is from Banana Republic Factory. It's so good. It's definitely an oversized fit. It kind of goes a little bit longer in the back. Size wise, I went with I think a small. Let me see. Yes, I did go with a regular size small in it. I could maybe size down in it. It definitely runs big. If you don't want it as oversized, maybe size down one. But I love the oversized fit and the drape and the feel of it. It's so soft. This is a really nice quality sweater. Next up, I got two pairs of their linen trouser pant. I have the trouser pant from Gap, and I really love them. So I saw the banana ones and I was like, I really like those colors. I think they would fit great. So I really like them, except I went petite and I kind of wish I didn't go petite. Again, I get so nervous with like a full length pant. I'm like, it's gonna be so long, dragging on the floor. I'm 5'2", so petite makes sense for me, but sometimes it doesn't because of the inseam. I have a problem with like petite inseam, like through here. Not through here. Usually through here it's great, but sometimes through here. And this one does the same thing. I feel like it's like riding up and it just feels funny through here. But the quality is really nice and the fullness is really great. The length is like great. I could maybe try a regular because I think if it was just a slight bit longer, it'd still look really great. It's a great quality pant. I love it. This is the black color, and then I also got it in another color, which I'll share next. Okay, so here's the other color. It is their flax color. Their flax color is really good. Sometimes you get that like flax color and you're like, you look not right. This is such a beautiful, like creamy, kind of speckled with beige look. I love the pleated in them. I will say this linen trouser pant, both in the black and this color, have that slight linen scratch to it. Sometimes when you get like a lower grade linen, you can kind of feel that scratch. It's not super soft and like luxurious on. This one has a slight scratch to it, but nothing is bad. Like, I've gotten some from H&M. I'm like, I can't even wear this. This is like sandpaper on my legs. But these are not that bad. They're not too bad. Again, I wish I would have done the regular and not the petite for the inseam through here personally. But everything about them, and sometimes you get this lighter color and they can be, linen can be pretty sheer. These are not sheer whatsoever, which I'm super impressed with. Again, I think the material is very nice. It just has that slight linen kind of scratch to it. And then I also got this little matching shell, also in the flax color. I thought it was so cute. I love the shape of it. Kind of has like a slight boxy feel, slightly cropped. I think with the pants it looks so cute, or you could do it with some shorts. Honestly, you could probably wear this to the workplace and throw like a jacket over top. Oh, so cute. I love it. Size wise in the tank, I did go true to size in a size small. I also got one more linen piece in this long sleeve button up, also in that really pretty flax color. This one is so comfortable. It's actually not, I don't feel like any scratch compared to the pants. I don't know. I feel like this is maybe a slightly different material. The pants feel thicker than the shirt. The shirt feels a little bit on the thinner side, but softer. But I love the fit of it. I love the color. It's a really nice linen top. Comes in a couple other of colors as well. I just love the flax color. Honestly, you could wear it. It actually feels like it's a slightly different color. I don't know. What do you guys think? I can't tell if you can wear this as a matching set. But even just with some jeans or some like wide leg denim or something, super cute. Size wise, I did go with a size small in it. That's untucked. And it's a good price too. Okay, next up, this was right in their new arrivals and it sucked me in. It was this beautiful navy. And I got two different things. And the first one's kind of a bit of a fail. The second one I think is going to be much better. But it is this two-piece set. First of all, it's this beautiful dark navy poplin material, which I love. Like poplin skirts, dresses in the summer. It's just the perfect material because it's lightweight, it's airy, but it looks very just fresh and it looks very nice. So I saw this two-piece like crop set and I was like, oh, that is so cute. I love it. I'm gonna try it. So it's not so cropped on me. So unfortunately, this one doesn't work for me, but if you have a longer torso, you are taller, I think this is going to be gorgeous on you. So it is this top, kind of has straps here. It's not adjustable. And then to me, it hits me right here. And then the skirt, I don't know if I need to wear the skirt a little lower like that. I just feel like this is like an awkward, it's awkward. So unfortunately this one doesn't work for me. I did go with a size 0 in the top here. I could have maybe done a 2. It's a little snug through here, not too bad. And then I did go a 0 regular on the bottom, which they do not have petite options, which I kind of wish they did, which is a little bit of a bummer. It does have pockets in the skirt. Even if you just liked the skirt, I think it's so cute. Such a nice material. Does go more to like a midi length. But the next option, I think is going to be really cute. Okay, next up is the dress option. I am obsessed with this. I think it is so stinking cute. I love this navy color. So this one kind of has a similar vibe to the two-piece, except it's not a two-piece, it's all as one. It has these like nice thin straps. These are adjustable, which is very nice. It has this nice kind of ruching through here, cinches in here, and then goes to a nice full skirt. The skirt has pockets. The skirt is also lined as well. It has a navy lining underneath, and I love the poplin material. I love poplin in the summertime. It's just such a nice lightweight fabric. You don't sweat in it. It's just like breathable. So if you have a spring or summer wedding here, this would be so cute to wear. I love it. I think it's so cute, so pretty. And it's such a good price too. I think I said that size-wise I did go with a size 0 in it, and it only comes in the navy. Okay, last up, some more navy pieces. I saw this and I was like, I'm not in the workplace, but I really like that. So first, I have been looking for a great navy blazer. I saw one on regular Banana Republic and I really liked it. It was quite expensive. I was like, I don't know. I saw this one on Banana Republic Factory and I said, I'm gonna try it. So unfortunately, size-wise, I got a wrong size. It does have like little shoulder pads in it. I actually really love the cut of it. However, it's just a little snug through my shoulders. I went with a 0 petite. So I'm not sure if I need to go regular or if I need to size up in the petite. So I might need to exchange this one, but I do really like it. I love the color of it. I think it's a really solid navy. And again, the cut through here seems really nice, and the quality seems nice. It is lined, which is also nice. And then these shorts I saw, I was like, those look really cute and comfortable. I don't know where I'm gonna wear those, but they look really comfortable. They are like a trouser suit material in this longer short option. They are so comfy. Nice deep pockets. They have a band right here that's kind of just a stiff band, but on the back it is in a nice stretchy elastic waistband. I love them. I think they're super cute. I actually like it as like a little set. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to. I'm not in the workplace. If you're in the workplace and can wear some shorts, these are great. I think they come in a couple other colors too. Size wise, I went with a size 0. I didn't go petite or anything. I don't think they had the option. And they're perfect. I love them. I think they're so comfy. Okay, so that is it for my Banana Republic Factory try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see more, I actually have a regular Gap try-on haul coming up soon. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.